This is our last tutorial on different polynomial factoring techniques. Sometimes when you're solving polynomial equations, you are going to come across a sum or difference of cubes. This is the algorithm to factor that. So a cubed plus b cubed is going to equal a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. And then if you have a cubed minus b cubed, you're going to factor that as a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus b squared. Once you have this, you will be able to, you're going to have a trinomial here, and you can factor that or solve that with a quadratic equation because it's a quadratic trinomial. So here is our first example. We have 8x cubed plus 1. Let's ask ourselves, is 8x cubed a perfect cube? And yes, it is, because we could take 2x and multiply it by 2x, and we would have 4x squared. And if we multiplied it by 2x again, we would have 8x cubed. So the first term is a perfect cube of 2x. And then 1 is a perfect cube because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So let's use our formula. And this is addition. So we know that our formula for this, I'll write it in black, is going to be a cubed, plus b cubed is equal to the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So the easiest thing for me to do is to determine, well, what is my a value and what is my b value? So a cubed is equal to this number right here. So a is going to be the cube root of a cubed. So in this case, the cube root of 8x cubed is 2x. And the b value right here is 1, and the cube root of 1 is 1. So I like to rewrite them like that. Now let's just plug them into this formula. So we start out with a plus b. So we're going to have 2x plus 1. And we're going to multiply that by a squared. So a squared is 2x. Now be careful, it's easy to just say, oh, we're going to put 2x squared in there, but we don't want to do that. When we're squaring 2x, we need to take the square to both parts. So 2x squared is really going to be equal to the quantity of 2x squared is equal to 4x squared. Have a hard time writing 2's on here, but that's supposed to be a 2. And then minus AB, so 2x times 1. So we're going to take minus 2x because anything times 1 is itself. And then plus b squared, and our b value is 1, and 1 squared is also 1, so we're going to put a plus 1 here. And so this is how we factor this. Now I'm going to give you the similar example with 8x cubed minus 1. So as we said earlier, the difference of cubes, so we're going to have a cubed minus b cubed is equal to the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus b squared. So first things first, let's find the cube root of this. The a value is going to equal 2x, and the cube root of 1 is 1. So let's plug these numbers in. And I'm just going to use one color this time. So a squared, we're going to start here. So a minus b, we're going to have 2x minus 1 times the quantity of a squared. We just said that the quantity of 2x squared is 4x squared plus AB, so plus 2x times 1. Not 2b, sorry about that. And plus b squared, 1 squared is 1. And that is how we factor the difference of cubes.